Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So today I'll talk about the superfood turmeric. Turmeric comes from a root of a native Asian plant and has been used for cooking for hundreds of years. It has been used in the Indian Ayurvedic medicine for the treatment of a lot of the medical problems. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, which has both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its bright yellow color. Turmeric is rich in phytonutrient that protects body from free radical cell damage. So it's ideal for anti-aging and improving overall inflammation. Research suggests that because of its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property, curcumin can help in management of oxidative and inflammatory condition in our body. Curcumin being also used as food, it has very minimal side effect, and having a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property can be used in wide range of medical problems. Turmeric may help improve arthritis, inflammation, anxiety, metabolic syndrome, hyperlipidemia, muscle soreness and muscle recovery, digestive problem or GI problems, and overall joint pain. In addition, relatively low dose of turmeric can provide a health benefit for people that do not have a diagnosed health condition. So if you do have any of the health condition, turmeric is ideal, but it's also good to take this supplement on daily basis to improve your overall health. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.